call me home. I get you what you want.
And then for my accessories,
You want me alone. Baby, I'm back.
so what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, girl. So today I'm doing something very different for my channel. Let me basically say like why I wanted to do this. So basically I see a lot of girls were smaller than me and or more hippier and like, you know, curvier than me. So I'm like, okay, I have a little bit of hips. I do have a little fupa. My size typically is from a 10 to 12. So I'm considered mid-size. And my cup size is a double D. What else, like info about me, just so y'all, you know, you're aware. I think that's really it. So yeah, if you are, you know, a mid-sized girly, we kind of have the same body shape or just same style, then yeah, hopefully you like this video. I got on this top from Revolve. It's actually a set. It has pants to it as well, but it's really too hot. Fall time, no more, you know, but right now it's too hot. So now I just paired it with these black denim jeans. These are from American Eagle. They are cuffed on the bottom, and then I also have on these little Zara sandals. There's so many colors in this. These are how the sandals look. They're just crocodile and black. And then I have these glasses on that I got from Warby Parker. These are the Howard, let me see. Yeah, these are Howard. And I liked it because it gives like the play of like business, but the jeans like tone me down. And then I paired it with this cute little bag that I've been dying to wear lately. I love this bag so much. This one is the 𝐤𝐬𝐬, but I saw it online and I was like, yeah, I need her in my collection. And for accessories, I have on firstly this Missouri necklace. I love this necklace so much. This ring is my favorite ring. It is from this like boutique out in New York. This little bangle is from Pandora. I have on this ring from Pandora as well, and then this ring is from Amazon. And then this is how the bag looks up close. I just love how, you know, slouchy it looks, but it still has shape to it. I don't want to wear this today, but I just wanted to show y'all because I had to film a video for Revolve. So I'll come back. All right, I feel a little bloated today. All right, yeah, so these are the living by the road is crazy, but yeah, these are the Sambas I'm gonna wear. I'm like, do I want to put, no, because it's kind of like, all right, so the navy blue in the hat, right, and then the blue, and then the blue. You feel the vibes? Shoes on. The whole point of like what I'm trying to do now with my fashion and like my style is like express myself more through my fashion too, like not just with my hair. You get what I'm saying? This is the final look of what I'm going to wear today.
Bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get.
Today I'm headed to a funeral and the colors are white and lavender. I don't have any lavender, so I'm wearing white. So I have on this dress. Can you see Cooper? Not really. But actually, let me bring it down just a wee bit more. So I have on this dress from Revolve. It's called 𝐤𝐬𝐬𝐬. But I know it's not how you like pronounce it, but that's the way I'm gonna pronounce it because it's a weird spelling. But this is the dress on. It has like a little peekaboo situation right there. And then for my jewelry, I'm just wearing this Belova watch. I have on this necklace that I also got from Revolve, and then my rings. These are like my everyday jewelry pieces. This is my Pandora heart ring, Missouri, and then this is a Kendra Scott ring. I'm gonna pop this bag on my arm. Actually, I don't like it on that arm. I always do that. On this side, Boom. And then for heels, I'm gonna wear these heels right here. They're from Zara. Super, super cute. I just love like the detailing and like how it's kind of distressed a little bit. And this is how it looks.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
All right, here is my look for Thursday. I'm not going out today, but if I was going out, I would wear this bag. This bag I got from Express. It's like this quilted looking bag. I think I got it primarily because of the chain. And then it's a neutral like taupey gray. And I can wear it like either like this, boom, boom, or I can like put it on, boom. And yeah, it's from Express. I got it a while ago. Girl, no, this is from H&M. I am weak. But yeah, I'm about to just put on my slippers actually. I think I'm gonna be staying in the house today, most likely. I got these from Amazon, by the way. I'm wearing my 𝐤𝐬𝐧 top. This little like necklace I got from my man. He got me this necklace for like Christmas. And then for my accessories, I'm just doing rings. And this ring is from this company called Bag It Up. They're a local DMV brand. And then my usual like Pandora, heart ring, Missouri, Kendra Scott, regular little earrings and stuff. It's like this cargo mini skirt. It's from 𝐤𝐧𝐬𝐧, and then my shoes are Adidas. Probably see I like a pop of color. I'm not a very colorful girl, but I do like a little pop of color to like make my outfit more vibrant.
Treat by the beach like Odell. No, my killers don't tell.
All right, y'all, so this is the last outfit. This is what I am wearing today. It is this nice little black maxi dress. It has pockets. Super cute, super flowy. So it does drag the ground. I am 5'6", and I have on these little like platform shoes from Stephen Madden, and then this Ghani bag again. Love this bag. So yeah, this is the look.